Hey guys, today I'll be reacting to 11 minutes of dank dog memes. There'll be a link in the description below to this video. Let's get started. Alright, it's great. If I'm right, this is Lord of the Rings. Friends! Squidward.
If
No one told you life was that. What?
I'm watching this because I've got no friends.
That's how you watch Friends.
I was 17.
Okay. What? Oh. Dog screamed,
My
man.
moods live on that swing sim. Push me harder, push me swing into tomorrow.
What?
Stay.
Wait.
Stay.
That's fake.
Stay.
It's not a real dog.
Good boy.
I actually,
Stay.
at first I thought that was real.
Stay. Good
Okay.
boy.
What the? Is that real? And plus, look at the babies. They're dying. I mean, who wouldn't die? Alright. Got little doges, you know? Look in their map. What? Okay. That made me jump. Alright.
Comrade Dog, you must take motion. Here, you take motion.
Is this in Russian?
It is good rifle. You will kill the Germans with it. You must
And
protect
definitely in
motherland.
Russian?
It is your duty.
Yes, definitely in Russian. No! What? What the? Are you gonna pee in the towel? What the? Oh, they're eating. Oh god. Oh! Oh, the way they're... What? Alright. It's cool. What? Oh, look, there's a dog in.
Hi, Geraldine.
Aww. What? What? Is this Chewy? Is he dying?
Geraldine, hey.
What is going on? Alright. Calm down, dog. Calm down. Stop it, dog. I think he's sick. What? Ah! Uh-huh. Wait, that's a real big dog. That was cool. Real thin. Aw, look at the little tongue.
Inhale the memes,
What?
exhale the memes, inject the memes into my bloodstream. There are good memes and there are bad memes. Why
I don't know
has
which one of
God
this is real.
abandoned us?
Aw, look at... Aw, look at a little pug. Aw, looks sad. Ah! What? Don't tell me there's another pug watching. What? Okay. This is a weird video. Whoa! It's a washing machine. Cool.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
No!
With the right prop and make it an entertaining shot.
What the?
So we're going to take
No, don't
Jesse
hit the dog.
and
Oh, that was amazing.
I didn't dog the shot.
Duke, do you want the ball?
Sonic! Sonic the dog. What?
Oh my god, the rhythm of the music getting stronger. Don't you fight it, you gotta do that conga beat.
Cliff, take out 3-1 right, Delta, left 20, 1 heavy mistake.
Sorry if I'm laughing weird. This isn't.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
He's singing.
Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family.
The dog's singing.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family.
Aw. Whoa. Ah! No, come back. Wait, oh. Can I get a woof woof? Pretty sure that's a real song, just destroyed. How long has this been? 6 minutes. Oh, hi. I'm the dog. My name is the dog. Everyone likes me. I'm cute. I think I will bark at nothing now. Who's that? Who dares? It's me, the dog of wisdom. I dispense from my wisdom tooth. Hi. What is your wisdom? Here's my wisdom. If your ball is too big for your mouth, it's not yours. That's a good wisdom. Thanks. I also need a few knock-knock jokes. Knock-knock, who's there? Ball. Ball who? Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. I actually like that song.
The tire, puncturing it. The cop changed the tire, but when he returned, the
What?
Bull Mastiff Cross again attacked his tire, again puncturing it. Another sergeant came to the officer's aid, but he too had his tire attacked and punctured. So an animal control officer was called in, but yes, he too had his tire attacked
What
and
is-
punctured.
Oh, look a little. What? Wait, is that a bird on the dog? And the bird's fighting? Whoa. Doggos react. Trademark. Look at the dog. He's freaking out. Is this Kirby or what? Yeah, it's definitely Kirby. Alright. What?
Chubbs, who's here? Who's here? Someone's here!
Ah,
Good boy, Coco!
Coco? What?
Go on, Chubbs! Oh
No!
God! Well, she didn't want to go.
I'm pretty sure someone pushed them. What the hell is this? Yeah, I'm gonna skip.
Here's another dog. Oh my god, it's another dog. Cute! I like dogs. Here's a
Okay,
big
good
dog.
for you.
Here's a small dog. This dog is 2 dogs. This dog is a dog. Can you believe that this thing is a dog? Me neither. This dog likes carrots. This dog will eat anything except for dog food. This dog is very overweight. Whoops, never mind. He just lost 50 pounds. You missed it. Count the dogs. This dog has some bones. This dog is some bones. This dog is cute. You should pet him. This dog is cute too. Don't pet him though, he's doing his job. This dog loves everyone. This dog is very old. Cute! This dog is a cat. He's a great dog. Dog facts. Did you know that dogs
are cute?
Did you also know that they're friendly? I bet you also didn't know that they're great companions. This dog is Buddy. I love him. Hey, Buddy.
Buddy or Muddy?
The ocean? That's great. Here's another dog. Here's another dog. Another dog for you. Dog. Dog.
It's a Doge, not a dog, man.
I'm really glad that dogs.
So yeah, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. So like if you did enjoy, there'll be a link in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.